So I've got a little math problem here. I need to know what 8.5 multiplied by 6 is. And I could just write it out and multiply it, but my question that I want to ask here is how could the distributive property make this easier? So let's think about this 8.5 here. I would call that 8 and 5/10, right? In fact, I could even write it like this if I wanted to. That's just 8 plus 5/10. So let me write it like that. And then of course I was going to multiply 8.5 by 6, which means I'm going to multiply 8.5 plus 5/10 by 6. The parentheses show that everything inside the parentheses is getting multiplied by 6. So let me distribute that 6. I'm using the distributive property here. So now I have 6 times 8 plus 6 times 5/10. Well, 6 times 8 is 48. And 6 times 5/10, or 6 times 0.5, is 3. And I can add those together. 48 plus 3 is 51. Could I have done it the old way? Sure thing, no problem. In fact, that's one way to check my work, right? The distributive property, though, may simplify things, and it may even make it so you can do math like this in your head. Let's try another one. How about 3 times 12.7? Why don't you try it on your own and see how it goes? Pause the video and hit play when you're ready to see how I do it. So I've distributed my 3, which gives me 3 times 12 plus 3 times 7/10. 3 times 12 is 36, and 3 times 7/10 is 2 1/10. So now let's add those together and get 38 1/10. So let me just prove to you that this is the right answer. And you can see that it is. So this is one way that we can use the distributive property to make multiplying a whole number by a decimal easier.